Bitcoin is heating up, and I'm about to tell you the exact price I believe it's going to hit before 2025 ends. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a realistic target, and the reasons behind it. And no, this isn't hype. It's based on real data, market cycles, and the forces shaping Bitcoin right now. We'll cover where Bitcoin stands today, the bullish signals pushing prices higher, the risks that could knock it off course, and finally, my personal price prediction based on all this analysis. You won't want to miss a second of it, especially if you're thinking about investing or already holding Bitcoin. Section 1. The current landscape first. Where are we today? As of right now, Bitcoin is trading around, insert latest price. 2024's halving already happened, reducing block rewards from 6.25 to 3.125 BTC per block. Historically, Bitcoin sees its biggest price surges after a halving, but it takes time. Look at 2012, 2016, 2020, prices exploded 6-18 months later. Each time, the pattern repeats. Supply shock first, then major price appreciation as scarcity becomes real. We're also seeing stronger fundamentals than ever before. Stronger custody solutions, more transparent exchanges, and a matured market structure compared to previous cycles. This positions Bitcoin in a far better place to capitalize on the post-halving momentum heading into 2025. If history repeats, 2025 could be the breakout year. Section 2. The bullish case. Now, let's talk demand. BlackRock, Fidelity, and other giants are pouring billions into Bitcoin ETFs. Nations like El Salvador, and soon others, are accumulating Bitcoin. Institutional adoption is no longer a theory. It's happening. Supply is tightening. Demand is ramping up. Simple economics says prices have to go up. Bitcoin is now being seen as digital gold by mainstream investors, a hedge against inflation, currency devaluation, and financial instability. As more pension funds, sovereign wealth funds, and corporate treasuries allocate a fraction of their portfolios to Bitcoin, the buying pressure will only intensify. We're not just talking about millions of dollars, we're talking trillions moving into this space over the next few years. And with only 21 million Bitcoins ever to exist, and millions already lost forever, scarcity is real. Section 3. The bearish risks. But it's not all sunshine and Lambos. There are real risks. Regulatory crackdowns, macro market shocks, potential minor capitulations if prices stay low for too long. Any of these could delay or derail the bull run. Governments could impose stricter regulations on crypto trading, custody, or taxation. Economic recessions could lead to liquidity crunches, forcing even strong Bitcoin holders to sell. Miner revenue could get squeezed post-halving, especially if price growth lags, leading to more selling pressure. Being aware of these risks doesn't mean being fearful, it means staying strategic, preparing for volatility, and adjusting expectations when necessary. We have to stay realistic. Bitcoin is volatile. Always has been. Section 4. The prediction. Here's the part you've been waiting for. Based on past cycle data, halving effects, institutional adoption pace, global economic trends, I project Bitcoin will reach between $120,000 and $180,000 before 2025 ends. This range isn't pulled from thin air. It's grounded in Fibonacci extensions from previous bull markets, adjusted for maturing market dynamics and expected macro conditions. With the right momentum, Bitcoin could overshoot $200,000 briefly before retracing. But even in a more conservative scenario, breaking past the $100,000 psychological barrier seems increasingly inevitable as long as adoption trends continue. Best case scenario: we overshoot to $200,000. Worst case: a slow climb to $90,000 and consolidation into 2026. Section 5. Final thoughts. Final advice. Stay smart. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Use the cycles to your advantage. Long-term holders have always won, but timing matters. It's easy to get caught up in hype, but smart investors focus on fundamentals and risk management. If you believe in Bitcoin's future, set your strategy, stick to it, and don't panic during corrections. This next year could be one of the most exciting times to be involved in crypto, but only for those who stay informed and disciplined. Smash that like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more Bitcoin updates, and let me know in the comments, what's your 2025 Bitcoin price prediction?